Hey guys, 皆さんこんにちは。Today we're gonna learn this. No. No. This no is used to change a verb into a noun, a gerund, also known as ing form. Let me give you some examples. See, seeing, I like seeing. 食べる、食べるの、食べるのが好きです。歌う、歌うの、歌うのが好きです。So to make this sentence structure, use the casual form of the verbs. 見る、見るの、見るのが好きです。読む、読むの、読むのが好きです。See, it's very easy. Now let me know in the comment section what you'd like doing using this sentence. それじゃあまた。